Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download monday.com and automate reporting with AI, full guide step by step clearly. To download monday.com, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official monday.com website. On the home page, look for the Get Started button. Click on it to explore your options for signing up. If you are new to monday.com, select the option to create a free account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once completed, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and follow the link provided to verify your account. After verification, log into your monday.com account. To download the mobile app, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for monday.com in the search bar. Select the official app from the results and click on Download or Install. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Log in using the same credentials you created earlier. Now that you have monday.com set up, let's automate reporting using AI. Navigate to your monday.com workspace. Create a new board by clicking on the plus New Board option. Add relevant columns to track the data required for your reports. In the toolbar, locate the Automation section. Click on it to explore available automation options. Select Create Custom Automation to tailor it to your needs. Choose the triggers that will initiate your automated report, such as when a status changes. Next, define the action, like send an email with the report attached. Follow the prompts to customize the email content and recipients. Save your automation settings once you're satisfied. To enhance reporting with AI, access the Integrations section from the dashboard. Select an AI tool that fits your reporting needs, such as data analytics or machine learning software. Follow the steps to connect your monday.com account with the chosen AI tool. Set up the integration by following the tool's instructions, ensuring it can access your board data. Once integrated, create or schedule reports using the AI tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.